Coffee. For my eyes? Oh yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nayana. So if you enjoy beauty, fashion, lifestyle or DIY videos, I'd love to have you join my family by clicking on that subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it. So I've been facing the issue of dark circles for years now, thanks to being a night owl. So I decided to finally try to do something about it before it got even worse. So today, I'm gonna show you a recipe that I'd found through research, made of things which I had with me and which I thought would be pretty easy to follow. So let's jump into the recipe. Take 1 teaspoon of coffee powder, a pinch of pepper powder. Make sure you don't add too much as it can burn your skin if more than a pinch. And 1/3 teaspoon of almond oil and mix them well together. Add a few drops of water into the mixture to make it into a paste form. Do not add more oil to make it paste-like because we don't want it to be too oily. So make sure that you put just a few drops of water to make it a paste-like form and mix it very well so that the coffee powder is fully dissolved. So when you get a paste-like consistency like this, your under eye mask is done. Before applying, make sure your face is cleansed. Now take the paste and a brush and gently apply it over your under eye area. Make sure you don't accidentally let it go into your eyes, it'll burn. So apply it carefully. Now, keep it on for around 10 to 15 minutes and no more than that. So once the time is over, remove the paste with a damp cloth or tissue. Take it out completely and then apply some moisturizer over the area to keep it well hydrated. So that's the routine, and you can apply it every day or every other day and you'll see the dark circles disappear in a week or two for sure. Also, you need to make this paste whenever you use it as it isn't recommended to keep it in the fridge. But it just takes 2 minutes to make it, so why not? Also, let me know what you think is the major cause for your dark circles. Are you also a night owl like me? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you again next time. So till then, bye bye.